Ever feel like you're in a one-sided financial friendship? You're trying to connect your bank account to Rocket Money, a budgeting app that promises to be your knight in shining financial armor, but it just won't link. No worries, you're not alone. Many folks run into this issue, and the good news is, it's usually a fixable glitch, not a permanent roadblock. So, before you throw in the financial towel, let's unpack why Rocket Money might be giving you the cold shoulder and explore some solutions to get that bank account connection smooching like a well-oiled budgeting machine. Reason number 1, login landmines. Sometimes, the culprit is a simple typo. Believe it or not, even the most financially savvy among us can fumble with usernames and passwords. Here's what to check. Double-check those digits. Make sure you're entering the exact login credentials you use for your bank account. Uppercase matters, folks. Copy and paste power. Consider copying and pasting your login info directly from your bank's website or password manager to avoid any typos. Reason number 2, bank breakup blues. Not all banks are created equal, especially when it comes to connecting with third-party apps. Here's how to troubleshoot this. Check Rocket Money's compatibility list. Rocket Money might not play nice with all financial institutions. Head over to their website and see if your bank is on the supported list. Alternative login methods. Some banks offer alternative login methods for connecting with third-party apps. Check your bank settings to see if they offer options like multi-factor authentication or a separate login specifically for external services. Reason number 3, temporary tech hiccups. Technology, much like our financial goals, can sometimes be a bit fickle. Here's how to get things back on track. The power cycle, it's a classic for a reason. Close the Rocket Money app completely and restart your phone or computer. Sometimes, a fresh start is all it takes. Check for updates. Outdated apps can cause connection issues. Make sure you're running the latest version of both the Rocket Money app and your bank's app. Reason number 4, security Sherlock. Banks take security seriously, and sometimes their firewalls might flag Rocket Money's connection attempt as suspicious activity. Here's how to get them to chill. Pre-warn your bank. Let your bank know you're trying to connect your account with Rocket Money. This can help prevent them from blocking the connection attempt. Check for security alerts. Your bank might send you an alert about the connection attempt. Make sure to approve it if it pops up. Bonus tip, the Rocket Money Rescue Team. If you've tried all these solutions and your bank account is still playing hard to get, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support team. They're there to help and might have additional solutions specific to your situation. Remember, getting your finances in order takes teamwork. Don't be afraid to ask for help, both from Rocket Money's support team and from online resources like this video. Still stuck? If you're still facing issues after trying these solutions, don't despair. The internet is a treasure trove of information. Search online forums or communities dedicated to Rocket Money or your specific bank. There's a good chance someone else has encountered the same problem and found a solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.